how to buy the RICHDUCKY or RICHDUCKY token crypto coin. Now, so before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token is by going to banking swap. It's available there. Now, after that, connect your wallet. Now, select your preferred wallet. Now, for example, I will select Trust Wallet. Now, after that, make sure to connect your wallet and log in first. Now, after you log into your wallet, just click on connect. And now, as you can see, make sure to fill your wallet by BNB. Now, after that, just as you can see, need crypto, buy this best price. Now, click on get it now. Now, after that, you need to select your currency. So after you select your currency, type how much you want to buy with. Notice how much of BNB you will receive. And now from here, all providers, select one of these. I prefer to select Transact. Now, after that, click buy with Transact. And as you can see, they will show you to fill your payment method. As you can see, you can pay with Visa, Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now after you buy the BNB on your wallet, now you can buy this token. So this is how to buy the RICHDUCKY token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.